I'm going to tell you what you should follow to do the flexible diet correctly. Stay in the video until the end, and I'll give you an extra tip that has already helped thousands of women lose weight quickly. Flexible dieting, also known as IIFYM, if it fits your macros, is a dietary approach that allows flexibility in food choices as long as you meet your daily macronutrient goals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Here are some tips on how to do flexible dieting right. Set your goals. Before you start, it's essential to know what you want to achieve with flexible dieting. Whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance, define clear and realistic goals. Calculate your macros. Determine your daily macronutrient needs based on your goals, age, weight, height, and activity level. You can use online calculators or consult a nutritionist for this. Choose nutritious foods. While flexible dieting allows for some indulgence, prioritize nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This ensures that you meet your nutritional needs. Track your intake. Use food tracking apps to log what you eat throughout the day. This will help ensure you're hitting your macronutrient goals. Stay within your macros. Try to stay within your daily targets for protein, carbohydrates, and fats. This is crucial for achieving your desired results. Allow moderate indulgences. One of the benefits of flexible dieting is the ability to enjoy foods you like from time to time. However, do so in moderation and within your macros. Plan your meals. Planning ahead can help avoid unhealthy food impulses. Preparing balanced meals and healthy snacks can be very effective. Monitor your progress. Regularly assess your results and make adjustments to your macros as needed to align with your goals and changes in your body. Don't neglect food quality. While you can technically meet your macro goals with processed foods, opt for whole foods whenever possible. They provide more nutrients and long-term health benefits. Consult a professional. If you struggle to calculate your macros or follow flexible dieting effectively, consider consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist. They can help you create a personalized plan. Here are some tips on how to approach flexible dieting on weekends. Plan ahead. If you know you'll have social events or special occasions over the weekend, plan ahead. This can help you balance your macro intake during the week to accommodate a more indulgent meal on the weekend. Eat in moderation. When choosing to enjoy a more indulgent meal on the weekend, remember to still respect your overall macronutrient goals. Try not to overindulge or significantly exceed your daily targets. Maintain balance. Even on weekends, aim to maintain a balance of macros. Ensure you include proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in your meals, even when enjoying indulgent foods. Enjoy social meals. Weekends often involve meals with friends and family. Enjoy these social interactions and the food, but try to make sensible choices whenever possible. Quick recovery. After a day of indulgence, get back on track with your macronutrient goals and healthy eating patterns the following day. This helps maintain control and prevents indulgence from becoming a pattern. Avoid guilt. Remember that flexible dieting is designed to be flexible and allow for controlled indulgences. Don't feel guilty about enjoying an occasional indulgent meal. The key is to maintain an overall balance. Keep a record. Continue tracking your food intake, even on weekends. This will help you stay accountable for your food choices and ensure you don't stray too far from your goals. Set boundaries. Establish clear limits for what you consider an acceptable indulgence. This will help prevent uncontrolled overeating. The calorie amounts required to maintain flexible dieting can vary significantly from person to person, depending on various factors, including age, gender, current weight, height, level of physical activity, and individual goals. To determine the exact amount of calories needed for you, it is recommended to undergo a personalized assessment with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. However, as a general reference, most people start by calculating their basic calorie needs also known as BMR, basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of calories your body needs to maintain vital functions at rest. Then, you add the calories burned through daily physical activity. Remember that flexible dieting can work well for many people, but it may not be suitable for everyone. It's important to balance flexibility with healthy food choices and maintain an active lifestyle. If you can't seem to lose weight in any way, I recommend a 21-day plan that is helping thousands of women in the United States. You'll be able to lose weight without using questionable supplements and will be guided by a women's weight loss expert. I've placed the link in the description.